Welcome to the Tree of Life Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program. By joining the Tree of Life family, you've taken a very significant step towards living your anti-cancer lifestyle. An evidence-based lifestyle where you take control of your health and well-being, and a place where you have the power to restore your natural setting of a long and healthy life. It takes a curious and proactive person to take this first step, and you've proven you have the strength and determination to make genuine positive change. Tree of Life is here to support, inspire, and empower you towards becoming the very best version of your future self, with a full set of tools and people at your disposal. Tree of Life is a revolutionary health, lifestyle, and anti-cancer program that stands against a growing culture of chronic illness and reduced quality of life. Modern society has tragically reached a point where 1 in 2 of us will receive a cancer diagnosis. But it doesn't have to be that way. Our program provides the tools and support to reverse and prevent poor health through clinically led lifestyle interventions and behavioral changes. Congratulations on becoming a part of this game-changing movement. Together, we're going to build a solid foundation of well-being, establish strong relationships with every component of good health, and forge an unbreakable connection between your mind and body. Throughout history, many cultures have used the Tree of Life as a symbol of health and well-being. Trees are beautiful living organisms required for a healthy and thriving ecosystem. They come in many shapes and sizes and grow in unusual circumstances. Just like a tree, our program starts with the seed of intention. Under the right conditions, the seed develops roots that are deep, strong, and continuously growing, and a trunk that supports branches that blossom with leaves and flowers, living in harmony with the surrounding environment, attracting a diversity of life to create a strong, resilient, and flourishing tree that can withstand and embrace changes and challenges. This is what it means to live an anti-cancer lifestyle. This lifestyle also helps us to reduce the likelihood of aggravating conditions, such as lack of energy, weight gain, poor sleep quality, chronic stress or depression, digestive issues, low immune system function, poor skin quality, premature aging, and reduced cognitive function that can be precursors to other chronic illnesses, including type 2 diabetes, arthritis, asthma, osteoporosis, and heart disease. The Tree of Life Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program aligns the fundamentals of the health of a tree to that of the physical, emotional, and spiritual health of a person, and is delivered in 7 modules. Module 1 is Stress Management and Emotional Well-Being, the roots. Module 2 is Growth and Behavior Change, the trunk. Module 3 is Nutrition, the first branch. Module 4 is Exercise and Movement, the second branch. Module 5 is Sleep, the third branch. Module 6 is Gut Health, Digestion and Elimination, the leaves. And Module 7 is Protection from Toxins, the environment around the tree. Each module of the program includes lesson videos with up-to-date and accurate information about every aspect of an anti-cancer lifestyle, personal workbook exercises to support your learning, knowledge checks so you can assess your understanding, a toolkit of hand-chosen resources to practically apply the information shared in the lesson videos, knowledge-based content including research and clinical studies to gain a deeper understanding of the clinical evidence, community groups and forums for each and every anti-cancer lifestyle topic, specialized live group education and events related to each module focus, access to further paid services, and one-on-one health coaching. Tree of Life is a comprehensive program that's suitable for people with a variety of learning styles. To help, we'll provide you with a personalized learning experience by curating the content that you find most engaging. Completing the program isn't the end, it's just the end of the beginning. Once you complete Module 7, you'll receive an exclusive invitation to book a complimentary one-on-one lifestyle analysis with a professional health coach to look at your progress through the program and to provide you with a tailored lifestyle plan with recommendations on the areas to focus on next based on your own unique circumstances. Living an anti-cancer lifestyle is a journey, and we'll continue to help you to implement tools, techniques, and practices. So, welcome to the Tree of Life Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program. Now, let's get started with Module 1, Stress Management and Emotional Wellbeing, the Roots of the Tree of Life. Roots are the anchor underground to which a tree can stably grow above ground. It's also where nutrients are absorbed. These roots are the strength and foundation of our health and wellness. The deeper and broader the roots go, the stronger and more supported the tree. Our health represents our core values, support system, and stress savviness. This root system anchors our health and well-being deeper into the earth. Over time, roots grow, expand, get deeper, and navigate around obstacles in the soil to continue supporting the tree. In this module, you'll learn what's most important to you by identifying and connecting with your core values. You'll know stress, its impacts, and the tools to become stress savvy. You'll learn the importance of connection through various support systems, social connections, and services. This is the first and most detailed module. Securing your roots through understanding your core values and emotional triggers is something you'll continue to use throughout the course, so stick with it and get the fundamentals in place. To support your learning, you'll find workbook exercises as you progress through the lessons. These exercises are designed to work with our workbook PDF that you can download from the transcript of this lesson. Towards the end of the lessons, you'll take a knowledge check to see what you've learned. This isn't a pass or fail exercise. If you get any questions wrong, we'll let you know the right answer. And to help you prepare for the knowledge check, we'll display questions and answers in lesson videos. Once you've completed this module, you'll receive an email with details of how to progress to Module 2 and the rest of the program. In Module 2, you'll develop a trunk that supports sustainable change and healthy habits. In Modules 3, 4, and 5, you'll sprout branches that will nourish your tree with nutrition, exercise and movement, and sleep. In Module 6, we'll build on what you've already learned to help you get the most from your anti-cancer lifestyle by improving your gut health, digestion, and elimination. And in Module 7, you'll be empowered to protect your tree from toxins and continue your anti-cancer lifestyle journey. After completing Module 7, you'll receive an exclusive invitation to book a complimentary one-on-one lifestyle analysis with a professional health coach. This is the perfect opportunity to reflect on your progress through Tree of Life and develop a personalized plan that suggests your essential next steps. Living an anti-cancer lifestyle is a journey, and we'll continue to support you every step of the way. The rest of the modules in the program require paid access. You can check if you have access by clicking the Upgrade to Paid link in the left-hand sidebar. In the Supporting Your Journey section of this module, you can read, watch, and listen to a toolkit of how-tos and guidance to help you learn the practices that we discuss in the lessons, and knowledge-based content for further reading on the evidence-based sources and topics that we cover in this program. You have the opportunity to jump into your journal, to reflect, explore, and connect to what's important to you, including keeping a track of any symptoms you might be experiencing. You can engage with other Tree of Life members in our communities by sharing your stories, asking for help, and supporting others. In these communities, you'll also find inspiration by attending live group education and joining in-person events to help you feel empowered to try new things, take small steps, and make sustainable long-term changes based on your own unique situation. If you'd like to connect with members at a similar stage of their anti-cancer lifestyle journey, You can use the members area to find people at prevention just diagnosed, during treatment, after treatment, life beyond cancer, and caregiver stages. There are also various optional extras to help you with your anti-cancer lifestyle journey. Lastly, if you'd like to work with a professional health coach for any reason, such as advice to help complete your workbook, creating a list of resources tailored to you, or to develop a how-to plan to empower you to implement an anti-cancer lifestyle based on your own unique situation, you can click the Cancer Coaching link to learn more.